So this is a squishy package I ordered off of eBay. I ordered 12 squishies and I actually ended up with 14. She threw in 2 extras, so that was really nice. So, first I'll start off with these are the blush buns. And they all smell like cake, I've noticed. That face. Pretty squishy. I have this one. I like this one, I like the smile. And of course they all have the cell phone straps attached. This one. And then there's this face, which I think is cute too. And again, cell phone strap. And I have these pandas. Very squishy, more squishy than those are. So, cell phone strap. And this is a girl panda. I have another girl panda. And I plan to use the ones I have duplicates of. I only have, I think, 2 duplicates. And I plan to use those, maybe, yeah. But I plan to use those for trades. So there's this one. This is even more squishy than the, yeah. He is more squishy than the girls. I don't know why, but he really is. But anyways, and he's a cell phone strap. Next I have these kind of darker shaded buns. They have really nice shading on them. And the bottoms are shaded. So there's this face. And his cell phone strap. And there's this face. Also cell phone strap. It's basically the same exact face. Just this eye is a little missing a spot. They're very similar though. And this curves. And then there's also this one, cell phone strap, and it has this cute face. And then I have the donuts. So I have this donut, which is the same coloration as these. And it has a chocolate drizzle on it, and it has 2 different kinds of sprinkles. It has just the dots, and it also has these larger ones. I don't see any sprinkles. I think I see 1 sprinkle loose. But they do seem to be on there pretty good. But I will probably be keeping things like this in just this bag, so that way, you know, less of a chance of them falling off. Pretty squishy. I better squish them like that. I have this really cute yellow one. It has that one has a cell phone strap. And this one also has a cell phone strap. And this one's very cute. I do notice a small defect on the middle of it. It's a little choppy. I like that. Looks like there's a bite taken out of it. And this is the back shading. Then we have this pink one that has a random sprinkle on it. It has strawberry frosting with a chocolate drizzle. Just a cell phone strap. And shading. And there's like 3 random sprinkles in this bag. But I think it's very cute. And then my 2 extras are also donuts. Oh, and this is a lot softer than the other donuts. There's this one that has like a flower and it's hot pink. So strawberry frosting. Lots of sprinkles randomly in this bag. And it has a cell phone strap. Some shading, and then also with this frosting, there's a defect of it. There's a little too much and it hangs over. And there's this one that also has an issue with a lot hanging over on this one. And this one is a vanilla donut, normal donut with chocolate drizzle, or chocolate frosting and a vanilla drizzle, or white drizzle. And it has a ton of sprinkles. And some of them are loose, but that's why I plan to keep them in the bags. It has a cell phone strap and just have shading. So, I have 5 donuts. 3 of these bun faces that are with the shading. 3 pandas. And 3 of these blush faces. So a total of 14 squishies. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.